Your past idea is beginning to
It's,
emerge.
as you could
You are
say, it's
being asked to focus
concentrated
and
at
be
the
confident.
bottom, no? The bottom. This is, energies are more on on the surface. So we could see perhaps this is ideas that those are still developing, as I said, no? Parang this also could say the opportunities that are just beginning to emerge. But I could see here being you, parang I could see here in this plan, or I could see here that you are very confident here, no? Why? Because it's not so parang yes, it's scattered, but not so heavy energy, no? So there's a little bit trial here na you might be let's say na you might be feeling full